Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to connect Spotify to another phone.
So guys, in order for you to do this, first thing you're gonna do is open the Spotify application. So guys, this process is the same with iPhone as well. And then from here guys, on the top left corner, go to your profile. And then from here, go to settings and privacy. And then from here guys, you will have a lot of options. Just swipe down and find devices. And then over here, guys, you will have an option to connect to a device.
And from here, guys, you should be able to see the option start a remote group session. And then from there, you'll be able to invite up to seven friends. And I cannot show it right now because I'm using a free. So guys, starting a remote group session will be available on premium. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.